Hello, Mr. Saurabh. How are you?
Arvind.
Let me show you as well. Here's our cameraman and the commentator.
Thank you, Arvind. Let's see how the second half unfolds. Both teams ready. Both keepers ready.
Recording
And good passing by the Reaper, by the Rising Star. Ball win by Kshitij. A good try, but nicely, effectively blocked by Anna. Again, Reaper Legion on the ball.
Hello?
What a nice pass.
Hello?
Nice pass. Was it a hand? Was it a not?
1 hour.
But good again. Once again, a good pass by Subhajit Bhai towards Suhas, who tried to make an attempt on the goal. Sanjeev Bhai on the ball. Let's see how this strategy unfolds. You can see some players lurking on the D-top. Sanjeev Bhai standing tall on the ball. A good pass to Subhajit, who has made use of his long legs, trying to just squeeze in the balls in the corners. Sanjeev Bhai again on the ball. A good pass, however, Kshitij maybe he couldn't read it or was not ready. Ball again with Rising Star FC. Swapnil on the ball, who passes it to Suraj. A good run by Sanjeev Bhai. Anna trying to just clear the ball. Ball with Atharva. Atharva takes a one touch on the ball, however well into defense lines. A little flick of the head by Anna. Suraj trying to maintain the ball. The ball is still in. Atharva takes the ball. A nice outer from Atharva. Okay, ball up to Swapnil. Let's see what he makes out of it. Atharva making the run. Swapnil doing short passes. Again, once again a good pass by Swapnil. A good run by Ripa. A good try, however a little away from the goal. But definitely a good try. A counterbalance of game. A nice game to watch. Lalit again going for the long kick. Maybe reading for Kshitij. Oh, what a lovely pass that is to Subhajit Bhai, who makes use of his long legs, controlling skills. A very nice pass as well, however a little too far away from the goal. Maybe we could expect more from Subhajit Bhai, a player of such high caliber. Again, Suraj going for the goal kick. A nice kick. Firoz Bhai on the ball, but nicely well defended by the Reaper Regions. Harish Bhai from the Reaper Region headed it out towards safety. Rising Star FC looking for the team members. I think there is lack of players who are pressing. A good pass, but however no one, absolutely no one from miles away to head the ball in. Lalit Bhai again taking small steps, giving a pass to Harish. Harish passing the ball to Suhas Bhai. What a lovely 1-2 this is. Suhas Bhai passes it to Sanjeev Bhai. Sanjeev Bhai has a chance. What does he do? Oh, what a lovely pass by Sanjeev Bhai. Again to Suhas Bhai. Suhas Bhai just couldn't convert it. Maybe Kshitij could have taken the shot. Things could have been better. But what a lovely play of 1-2 football from the Reaper Legion, known for their class. Again Suraj on the ball. Let's see. Does he go for the long ball? Yes, once again. He punches in the long ball and Harish Bhaiya clearing it up, completing his defensive duties over there. The team cheering him up. Suraj again going with the one touch, but then very nicely collected by Subhajit Bhaiya, who passed the ball to Kshitij, and Kshitij with the score. Subhajit Bhaiya assist, score Kshitij. Maybe there is some claim, but then they have an advantage. What a lovely piece of football by the team members. Lovely passes, lovely 1-2, and a very nicely scored goal by Kshitij Chakta, and nicely assisted by Subhajit Bhai. Reaper Legion showing their class, showing the true virtue, what they are made of, are leading the goals too. And Rising Star FC trailing the goals with 2. A good try, but then a good cover and body by Sanjeev Bhaiya. Sensible football. A good try by Suraj, however blocked in his tracks. Subhajit Bhaiya again on the ball, passes it laterally to Sanjeev. Sanjeev Bhaiya trying to find, but then Subhajit Bhai trying to make use of his legs, and what a beautiful pass that was from the outside to Kshitij. Kshitij. All eyes on Kshitij. And outside for Reaper Legion. Suhas Bhai on the ball. Suhas Bhai passes it to Sanjeev Bhai. Sanjeev Bhai laterally passes it to Subhajit Bhai. Subhajit Bhai making that wonderful turn, but then oh, what an opportunity missed. What an opportunity missed. Suhas Bhai could have scored that goal, or Kshitij could have stepped in. Nice turns by Atharva. Good feet. I think their opponents do understand he doesn't have much options. Swapnil playing behind, laterally passing the ball to Atharva. Atharva just keeping the ball in. Atharva trying to go for the long ball, but nicely defended by Suhas Bhaiya. Atharva once again on the ball. He gives a lateral pass. Maybe he's looking for Swapnil. Swapnil trying to keep the ball. Nice lateral pass to Anna. Anna again trying to keep the ball in, but however outside. Again the Rising Star FC have the ball. Atharva keeping the ball in. Oh, nice pass by Atharva, however well defended. Subhajit Bhai on the ball, who gives a very nice pass to Kshitij, but then just a little too hard and away from him. He did make that run, however unfortunately couldn't reach the ball. Again Atharva once again on the ball, trying to make the run, trying to stretch the team members. Again a good pass to Swapnil. Swapnil trying to find Suraj. He's expecting Suraj to get in the middle of the game. Maybe he was expecting the team members to come in front of the defense. Again the ball with Rising Star FC. Swapnil on the ball. Swapnil passes it to his team member. He's looking for options. A good pass to Atharva. Atharva collects it. Let's see what Atharva makes out of it. Atharva is rolling the ball. Atharva trying to find Swapnil, however intercepted by Kshitij. Again the ball from Sanjeev Bhaiya to Subhajit Bhai. Subhajit Bhai passing it to Suhas. Suhas again taking one touches. And a good pass. Once again a good pass, but well read by Atharva there. Okay, Reaper Legion with the ball. Sanjeev Bhaiya on the ball. Passes it to Suhas. Is that a score? Oh, what a game this is. Oh, what a sensible game by Sanjeev Bhaiya. That's how football needs to be played. Not at all selfish. Not going for the goal, but trying to find a pass for his team members. That's a quality of a good footballer. Sanjeev Bhaiya again on the ball. Oh, very nicely given. Oh, too much of dribble. Can't make it out. Okay. Sanjeev Bhaiya once again on the ball. Atharva taking the ball. Atharva passing it laterally to Swapnil. A long pass. Firoz Bhaiya making the run. However, no one. Again, Atharva containing the ball. Let's see. Can't find Suraj. Kshitij lightly taking the ball. Well read. But I think that's a foul. Maybe too hard tackle. Ball with Rising Star FC. They have an advantage. Let's see what they can make out of this particular situation. Oh, the ball was with Reaper Legion. Guys need to understand that they need to play on the whistle rather than claiming short passes from the Rising Star FC, or trying to build up something to get those goals back. A good ball, but then very well defended by the Reaper Legion. Atharva going in for the ball. He's charging on the ball. Nicely played by Lalla. Lalla played it to Suhas. Suhas played it to Subhajit Bhai. Subhajit Bhai going for Kshitij. Okay, maybe Suhas was asking for the ball. Subhajit bhai apologizing to Suhas. That's okay. Maybe we can take the next one. Atharva maintaining the composure. Nice feet on the ball. Trying to find Swapnil. What a through ball that would have been. A really good try by Atharva, who's trying his best to keep his team strong, trying to get those goals back on the chart. Pass to Anna. Subhajit bhai charging. Anna gives the ball to Swapnil. Swapnil, let's see what Swapnil. Subhajit bhai has come back. Firoz bhai trying to find his team members but just couldn't make that pass. Well read by Atharva there. Atharva going for the glory, however blocked. Nicely collected by Jitu bhai, who passes the ball to Atharva. Atharva maintaining the composure, passes back to his team members. They are trying to rotate the ball. Anna giving a good pass to Firoz bhai, who collects the ball very well but couldn't find his team members. Swapnil passing the ball back to Anna. Anna passing the ball back. Ritik trying to push the ball through the defensive lines of Ripa region. Again the ball will Ritik. Ritik passes or gives a back pass to Jitu. Jitu bhaiya nicely passes it back to Atharva. Atharva is a player with good speed. Let's see what he makes. Oh, it was a very good goal. Oh, what a goal that was. What we have experienced. A good pass by Atharva and what a wonderful goal by Firoz bhai. What a ball that was. Maybe accidentally slipped through the defense of Ripa region. We just witnessed an amazing goal. What is... Oh, it could have been a good opportunity for the Ripa region. The players look a bit tired. Maybe this slot is just too much. The heat is up there. Swapnil making a turn. Oh, what a nice turn by Swapnil. But he needs to find his team members. Maybe Suraj didn't read it quite well. But a good ball. A very nice ball by Swapnil. Lalit bhaiya again going for the long kick towards Subhajit bhaiya. Subhajit bhaiya just maintaining the composure. Nice jump from Ritik. Anna just cleared the ball. Maybe Suhas bhaiya trying to keep it. And nicely headed by Sanjeev bhaiya, making use of his height. Oh, he tried his best to contain the ball. Okay, but then now goal kick for the Rising Star FC. Atharva again on the ball. Sanjeev bhaiya jumping in with a nice header, trying to block the attack. Swapnil paying the block to Ritik. Ritik playing it to Atharva. Atharva nicely cutting the ball, waiting for his team members to come outside. Ritik again passing the ball to Suraj. Suraj passing the ball to Anna. A nice 1-2-1-2 touches by the Rising Star FC. Anna maybe couldn't control the ball, couldn't pass it. Maybe he can do it better next time. Swapnil once again on the ball. No, sorry, the ball is with the Ripa Legion. Sanjeev bhaiya on the ball. Sanjeev bhaiya looking for Kshitij. A good ball, but then just too far away for Kshitij. Jitu bhaiya miscalculated a little bit. Passes the ball to Atharva. Atharva passes the ball to Suraj. Oh, what a nice move that was. Maybe he could have contained the ball. Once again Sanjeev bhaiya on the ball. Maybe looking for that long pass. Nicely. Nice. Maybe there was an appeal for a foul. Maybe a foot which was raised but not that intentional. Again Harish bhaiya passing the ball to Suhas. Suhas trying to dribble it. Passes it to Subhajit. Subhajit, what a nice cut that was. And a nice toe as well. However, hard luck. this is a damage which a player can do if left all alone. Nice cutting as well as a nice toe. A little confusion with the team members. Rising Star FC once again. Swapnil with the ball, Ritik with the ball. Ritik passing the ball laterally to Atharva. Atharva just maybe too hard for Swapnil to catch up. But at this stage, these are the passes which necessarily need to be taken. Sanjeev Bhai again looking for that long ball. A pass on the line for Subhajit and effectively takes the pass. Subhajit making use of his long legs gives an effective pass to Kshitij, who makes a try, however shouldered by Ritik or chested by Ritik. Again a corner for Ripper region. Subhajit Bhaiya on the corner, nicely punched out by Jitu. Suhas playing the ball to Lalit. Lalit trying to go for the glory. Oh, but intercepted by Kshitij. Rising Star FC trying to go for that counter. Oh, Atharva, he needs to maintain his cool. A good player trying to fight back for his team. Again Sanjeev Bhaiya on the ball. Subhajit Bhaiya making the runs towards the keeper. Sanjeev Bhaiya goes for the long ball as expected. Nicely charged by Jitu. A good header, could have been a goal. However, a little more could have pushed the ball in. But good positioning by Subhajit Bhai. Again Subhajit Bhai on the corner. Passes the ball. Oh, nicely punched by Jitu. Suhas had a chance, however, a little far, a little on top of the goal. But a good attempt by Suhas Bhai. Ritik looking for the long balls, makes a pass to Atharva. Atharva passes to Swapnil. Swapnil passes to Atharva. Atharva again to Swapnil. Swapnil to Ritik. Ritik to Swapnil. Swapnil to Atharva. Atharva keeping the ball, passes it back to Ritik. Ritik to Anna. Anna to Swapnil. Swapnil again back to Atharva. Maybe Firoz Bhai is screaming for the ball. He's in the goal post. A good deflection and a good attack by Kshitij. Good body composure. A nice footwork by Ritik. A good challenge by Kshitij. Ritik successful in maintaining the ball for his team. What a good piece of football. Passes to Swapnil. Swapnil back to Atharva. Let's see what Atharva does. A good try. I think it's a goal kick. It's a goal kick. The team claiming for maybe an outside. Maybe a little aggression from the team members, which qualified for a yellow card. Players can't charge on the referee. A little bit of discipline and a red card. Oh, what a try that was! What a try that was! Well chested by Kshitij. Good attempt by Kshitij. Just a little, I would say, just centimeters away from the goal. What an attempt that was from Kshitij Jagtap. Suraj on the ball for the goal kick. Looking for Swapnil. Suraj goes for the ball. Again, Harish Bhaiya taking the ball. And a good pass to Subhajit Bhai. Subhajit Bhai. Again taking a very beautiful shot, trying to squeeze the ball to the corners. A good cheeky game by Subhajit Bhaiya. Ball for outside, ball with Reaper Legion. Sanjeev Bhaiya once again on the ball. Again a good pass, a lateral pass to Subhajit Bhai, who will try to go for the glory, however blocked by Suraj. Once again outside to the Reaper Legion. Suhas Bhai on the ball, who passes it to Sanjeev Bhai. Sanjeev Bhai, maybe a defensive error which led to a hand in a very precarious situation or a position. Reaper Legion already on the advantage. What a beautiful pass that was, and well defended by Ritik. And that's all. That's the win for the Reaper Legion. That's the fun we have for you for the weekend. We'll take the closing remarks from the captains. The goalkeeper?
Yes. Well,
Fardeen.
Inshallah, boys played well.
Suraj from the Rising Star FC. That's the winning team.
हेलो राइजर आजा एक फोटो निकाल ले
Rising Star FC.
कम ऑन ए आ जाओ यार
That's the outcome of the match.
विराट फोटो निकालना आ जाओ ना
Come on.
सूरज
So that's the Reaper region. This is the captain of the Reaper region, Sanjay Bhai. Any closing remarks?
2 wins.
Subhajit Bhai, the goal scorer.
नहीं मैन्यू
Suhas Bhai, the goal scorer, and the assist, and the brain behind the Reaper Legion. Good try from Sitij.
फोटो निकालना
And the captain of the Rising Star FC, very well played. Firoz Bhai, what a score that was. It was really nice to see you scoring.
Fantastic clearance.
Thank you.
Firoz bhai का एक नंबर फाइनल टेस्ट था. Because of that we are able to make the score.
Yeah. So
एक फोटो
we
निकालो
have
यार.
some issues.
तो आ जाओ यार
fixing
फोटो
on
निकालो
it.
यार.
There is a long match ahead and league ahead, and also I'm not worried about it.
हमारे रुके हुए
I'm sure that we will,
Come on.
gradually mingle with each other and all, because I have a team issue which is not a club players and all. So I'll work on it, and I'll definitely, you can see we are in the top position.
Oh.
For sure.
All the best, Firoz Bhai.
हाँ निकाल किधर गया? हेलो.
अरे ठीक है इसको पास देने गया था अरे हमारा पूरा टीम भाई रुक रहे हो क्या नहीं तो हमारा निकल
Any comments from the goal scorer, Suhas Bhai? Any comments?
Fortunate to be part of this team.
मैं पूरा टाइम कवर करके रखा.
Chalo. Chalo guys, thanks. A good attempts by Sitij. That's all. That's the fun we have for this weekend. Catch up for next weekend for interesting matches of this league. Thank you guys. Signing out. Bye. See you next week.
Lucky है.